Good morning, dear listeners all over the world. Welcome to A1 Online Mathematics Tutor. This morning we have this question to solve. Solve 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y equals to 40. Then find the value of x plus y. So now, let's now do it together. So in this case now, we are given 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y equals to 40. So the first thing we are going to do now is we are going to start by 40 because we are given x and plus y equals to dash. So we now have 40 to be, we think of the two numbers that when we multiply them together it will give us 40. So 4 times 10 equals to 40. Now we now turn it to power in power form. It will now be equals to 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 1 times 5. Are we together? It's still 40. Equals to, now we multiply these two together. So it will give us, when you multiply in power form, you add it. You now have 2 raised to power 3 times, now this 5, now it will now turn to 4 plus 1. Are we together? Now equals to 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1. Are we together now? Then we open the bracket, we multiply them together. Equals to 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 2 is going to give us 2 raised to power 5 times 2 raised to power 3 times 1 to give us 2 raised to power 3. Are we together? So now with what we now have now, we have base. When you look at the base, they are equal and the power are not equal. So when you go back to the question, we have the base to be equal and the power are not equal. So which means it will now give us 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y equals to 2 raised to power 5 times 2 raised to power 3. Are we together? So in this case now, when you now look at it, okay, so it will now give us these two now, x plus y, that's what we are given down to find, equals to the power here 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. Are we together? So therefore x plus y equals to 8. Are we together? So that is that. But for you to be sure, there is a way we can also check it to be sure that we are perfectly correct. So we now say check. When you want to check now, you notice our answer 2 raised to power 5. So this 2 raised to power 5 equals to what? 32. And we also have what? 2 raised to power 3, which is equals to 8. Now from the question we are given 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y. Are we together? So which means that it will now give us 2 raised to power 5 plus 2 raised to power 3, everything equals to 40. So because 32 plus 8 equals to 40. So that's how to check it. When you look at it, this our 40 is the 40 you are given the question. So which means we are perfectly correct. Dear listeners all over the world, if you have learned something from this our mathematics, kindly help us to like our YouTube channel, like the page, follow us, subscribe, and watch out for more. Bye.